welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riviana, and today I have some very luxurious Burmese curly hair sent over from Rauh Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me over all of this luscious hair. So this is actually going to be a semi-long informational hair video, you guys, so let's just jump right into this hair unboxing. So they have definitely done some upgrading to their packaging. I love the black, I love the pink, I love the consistency, I love the chicness as well of this hair unboxing or this hair packaging, you guys. And they also sent over some hair care instructions, which I think is really important. They also have this placed on their website as well. So they're basically just telling you guys the products that they recommend for their hair, and also how often you should be caring for your hair and like washing your hair as well. So they also done some other upgrades, like sending over an elastic band and also putting their hair in a satin Ziploc baggie. So as I'm showing you guys the unpackaging, I'm going to talk to you guys about this hair company. So I've actually reviewed for them about 5 times at this point. I think this is the 5th hair review. So if you guys are looking for some raw hair, you guys should definitely check this company out. They have Vietnamese, Cambodian, Burmese, and I have reviewed all of those origins of hairs before on my hair channel, so make sure you guys go and check those out. And this is also a black owned hair company, you guys, so let's just keep on supporting black owned businesses. So I'm also going to be showing you guys the unboxing or unpackaging of the lace frontal. I was sent over a lot of hair. So I was sent over a 28, a 28, a 26, a 26, and a 24-inch bundle, along with a 22-inch 13x4 HD lace frontal. There's so much hair. Here it is. It's tamed. I'm ready to go. But first, I want to talk to you guys about how I put this wig unit together. So I actually made myself a wig, and I actually bonded it with my hair glue. If you guys don't know which glue I'm talking about the glue that you use for your eyelashes, okay? So also, if you guys wanted to know how I got all 5 bundles on my head, or usually 5+, it's because I sew my trikes together with my sewing machine. I am self-taught. I'm very proud of that. And yeah, that's literally what I do. I just sew my trikes together. I am going to go in and bleach the knots on my lace frontal. I use 30 volume developer, and I left it on for about 9 to 10 minutes. However, I do recommend that you guys leave it on for a little bit longer because the knots are a little bigger, and you know, you want to loosen up your knots, especially for your plucking process, so that it's easier for you to pluck and you're not like ripping little small holes into your lace. So definitely leave it on for about 5 to 6 minutes longer. But as for this lace, you guys, can we get into the lace, because it's like non-existent, like you can't see it. This is real HD lace. It's really good, high quality, and it melts really good as well, especially when I like installed it. Like you can't see the lace, like it's really thin, it's fine, it's skin-like, and I absolutely love that. You guys know I know good lace. I know when I have real HD lace, you guys, and this is some really good lace. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about the hair. This is my very first time reviewing Burmese curly hair, period, you guys. So I'm actually very impressed with the quality of the hair, along with the texture as well. I know a lot of people probably are looking at this like, how is she managing all of this hair on this wig unit, considering the fact that it is a lot of hair. I have 5 bundles, and of course it is long, my longest bundle being 28 inches, which I get. Like I get the worry, but to be completely honest with you guys, this hair was not that hard to manage, you guys. Like as you guys could see, this hair is actually not that coily. Like it's not a coily tight curl, so that's what makes it manageable. You guys would not have too much problems with curl defining your hair, washing your hair, detangling your hair, any of that, because it's relaxed in my opinion. It's just not that tight. It would be between like a curly and a deep wave in my opinion, but let me know what you guys think down below with the hair texture, because it's super manageable and lax, you guys. Now I'm not saying that it won't get big on you, because it will. Please remember what you guys see. I already went and curled, defined, and tamed my hair, so yeah. It could definitely get bigger than this, especially once you start playing with it. And I'll definitely be giving you guys like some more like testings of this hair down the line in this hair video. I definitely chose to put some heat to it just to show you guys what this hair could do. And yeah, now I always say, if you want to test your hair, go on vacation. You will really put your hair up to test when you go on vacation. It will tell you everything you need to know about your hair bundles. So I actually was able to wear this hair 2 to 3 days after this hair review was filmed, and then I also wore it for a trip that I had as well. So now, just to talk to you guys about like how I managed the hair throughout the days of the trip, I definitely wrapped my baby hairs up because I didn't want them to get wet. But like every morning I got in the shower and I like let the water run through the hair, and I just used some conditioner and I curled defined my hair while I was like standing in the shower. Literally, that's literally what I did. Now, I wasn't in there until the water ran cold or anything like that, because surprisingly, although this is a lot of hair, it did not take a long time for me to curl define this hair, you guys. All you really need is a really good slip conditioner, and that's about it. And I didn't rinse it out completely. I left a little bit of conditioner in there and I let it air dry throughout the day. I was just prepping my hair because I knew that we were going to be doing a lot. We were in and out the hotels. We had to change outfits. We were going to different places. We were doing a lot of walking. So, you know, I just had my hair on the go. Like literally, like she was just ready to go. She was ready. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I didn't have a hard time managing my hair throughout the trip, you guys, like at all. I understand, and I have worked with raw hair before, so I understand that raw hair really does love moisture. So once you get the hang of like raw hair, then you will understand how to care for it. But raw hair loves moisture, you guys, so I definitely recommend that you guys use oils as well for your hair, so that it doesn't like get dry on you either. So that's it. That's all. I am going to come back at about the 11-minute mark to talk to you guys a little bit more about the products and the brushes that I use and recommend for this hair. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Along with the heat testing, I definitely did put this hair up to some heat so that you guys could see the versatility of it, you know, how straight it could get, and also if it would even curl. So I definitely did that for you guys, and I also did some half up, half downs and things of that such. So make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned until the end. I highly recommend that you guys get your hands on some raw hair. Again, I think that is the best hair on the market. So if you guys are looking for some high quality hair bundles, perfect for vacation, easy to manage, and I just highly recommend. Again, this is a Black owned hair company, you guys, so make sure you guys go and check them out. as my hair is kind of like drying through, I decided that I'll talk to you guys about my curl defining process. When I first went into like detangle and, you know, curl define this hair, I used this brush here. It popped up on my Amazon storefront and I looked it up, and it's actually like a trending product on TikTok. I know nothing about TikTok, I don't use it, so, but it is actually really good for detangling your curly hair, and I also used it on my natural hair as well, you guys. I also have curly hair as well. So this brush here is really good for detangling. However, I did not like how this brush curled defined my hair. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. I didn't care for it, so I went back in with my Old Faithful, and this one always makes entrance on my YouTube videos because I try to make sure that I show you guys and tell you guys that this is the brush that I use for my curl defining process. Yeah, so this is an Evolve brush. I get it from my local beauty supply store. I've only seen it in this pink, and I also seen it in a black as well. And also I did see it on Amazon, but I think they might be out of stock on Amazon. I'm not sure. But again, this brand is Evolve, and I just love this freaking brush. She never lets me down, period. So yes, different brushes are gonna give you like different waves in my opinion, because again, I did not like this brush, the waves that it gave me. So just went back to this, and yeah. So make sure you guys go and check it out so that you guys could get this type of install. And I definitely went with the fluffy baby hairs. I'm more of a fluffy baby hair person when it comes to my curly wig units. I just think that it just kind of all flows together. You guys also may ask me what type of foundation and stuff I use to tint my lace. I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the color Cocoa. If you guys are around my skin tone, this is the one for you. Definitely check this out. It's also matte, you guys, so it will probably be a little hard for you to wash out your wig completely. And then I use my Ghost Bond Supreme always. I've been using this version of Ghost Bond for a very long time, and this is the best one for me. And then for me to do my baby hairs, I've been using the Fantasia Spritz, and I have it in the orange bottle. It's actually supposed to like brush them out, so I guess I'll do that right now. I guess I'll do that right now. These are the edge brushes that I'm using for this hair tutorial. All of this stuff, you guys, Amazon storefront, so that you guys can get a really good install with your bundles. And yeah, so I'm gonna use this one. This is actually a really good edge brush. And I'm literally just about to like comb them out, brush them out so that they can be like fluffy. And not look like they're like sticking to my forehead. Unless that's the look that you're going for. I never want to steer anybody in my direction. Always do what you want to do. I know that there's people who like the luster and the texture that the curly hairs give. So I'm just going to go in and do a little bit of curl testing for you guys, just in case you guys want to use your curly hair for some versatility as well. So I do have a few hot tools set up just to test. Take one from out the back, pretty much like a 28 inch. I'm gonna take a chunk of it. This is messing up my hair. I hate it. But I'm going to take the detangling brush that I was talking to you guys about, and I'm gonna go through it with this. Now, when I tell you guys really good for detangling, like really good, unmatched. If you do not have this brush to detangle your curly wig units and your natural hair, you guys should definitely invest in it. I'm gonna pass it through. It does straighten, you guys. It does. And these are the ends. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the curl for it. Beautiful curl, beautiful wand curl, okay? Oh, really good, really good.